Hi, my name is K Ma, and today I'd like to talk about the Scrum board or task board. The Scrum board or task board is a common tool that many teams will use to measure their progress throughout the duration of a sprint. I'm going to create a very simple task board with just 4 columns. I'll start with a column for user stories, a column for tasks not started, a column for work in progress, and finally a column for tasks completed. At the start of the sprint, during Sprint Planning Meeting Part 1, the team will forecast how much work they think they can likely achieve. And they will then take those user stories and move them onto the task board, like this. At the start of the sprint, during Sprint Planning Meeting Part 1, the team will forecast how much work they think they can likely achieve. During Sprint Planning Meeting Part 2, each of the user stories is then broken into a number of different tasks. In our example, the first user story may be broken down into 3 tasks, the second user story may be broken down into 2 tasks, and the final user story may also be broken down into 2 tasks. Our team has 2 team members. Alice has no work to do, so she'll go to the task board and select some work from the task not started column and move it into the work in progress column. Similarly, Bob may also take work from the task not started column and move that to the work in progress column. The next day, Alice may have completed her task, so she'll move that task into the task completed column. She'll then take a new task from the not started column and place that in work in progress. Bob may still be working on his task, so that stays there in the work in progress column. The following day, Alice has again completed her task, and she'll move that again into the completed column and take a new task from the not started column. Similarly, Bob may also have completed his work, and so he'll also move that into the completed column. He too takes a new task from the not started column and moves it into the work in progress column. We can see a general migration of tasks from the left-hand side of the board over to the right-hand side of the board. The Scrum board provides a clear and useful visual feedback on the team's day-to-day progress. There are a variety of different styles of task boards, and here are a few examples.